God damn it, it's raining. This fit is. Hell yeah! Good morning, boys and girls. Good morning, good morning. How's everyone today? We're here at Rhynie, round 6, penultimate round of the championship. The sun's shining, the track's in prime condition. We're just going to wait out for our practice. Some of the top vet riders are here today, some of them aren't. But we're raring to go. Speaking about top riders, I have got one here. Who could it be? What's the scope? What's happening, Mr. Mason? Factory racing?
Another day in paradise, you know. This is hopefully going to stay nice and dry and sunny, and everybody's happy and healthy and well. And we finished today the same way.
Good stuff, that's what I want to hear, yes.
We missed it, a new bike there.
Oh no.
It's too slow. I'm about as fast at buying bikes as I'm getting out the gate.
Oh dear. Oh well.
That's the 450 Honda. But anyway.
There's whole shot money of the day, I believe.
There is, so I'll never be getting that.
You never know. You never know.
Well, Ross is here, yes, he'll...
Ross Heath.
Aye.
Ah, yeah.
Good starter, like.
Aye, there's a few good starters though.
There is, aye.
There's a few that are fire starters.
Unfortunately, I'm not one of them. But
Well, you can see a couple of Harigolds over there, look. Mr. Gray, Mr. Fraser, the bulldozer. Barry and Brian.
Again, 450 versus...
That's it, aye, they're speaking tactics, they're trying to decide how they're going to hold shot. Aye, or Big Dog Racing. There's one of they're not sure. I think I can see a worried look in their face actually.
They do look worried.
They do look worried. They should be bloody worried.
They should be.
They should be worried. How's the new Honda, Brian? How's the new Honda?
I never had it. She's lovely.
Lovely.
She's lovely.
Lovely. Is that a shout out to Tom Adamson, the Honda specialist from Elgin? Aye. He's helped out a few, has he?
Yeah.
He's a good man to deal with. But obviously we've bought off all the bikes, so certain folk that were looking for 450s are having to look elsewhere. That's what happens.
Like it starts.
That's what he was saying, aye. That's what he was saying. He says,
buying bikes, that was good news.
Practice for you, Chutney.
it's wonderful. Just talking at Carney kind, just seeing how the wind is. A bit of windy kind, so we don't want to be doing kamikazes in the wind.
How's the track?
Track's okay. It's nothing wrong with it. It's just flat and slidey just now, so it'll get better and then it'll get rough. Just the way I like it.
Who do we have here? Mark Mason back to lay racing. How was your practice, Mark?
Ah, very good, Brian. Now, how's it going, son? You alright?
Yeah?
You alright? Are you right? How do you like that? Yeah. Good fun, eh? Ah, it's good. It's good, like. It's good for you to say watch the wind when Chutney says like enough, eh?
Yeah. on you, chaps.
Very sketchy. The water is flipping dangerous. So slidey. Very, very slidey. You have to watch like you're just tiptoeing round the track. But hey, it's the same for everyone.
Yep.
How'd you get on? Same again. I was me, Brian and Ronnie. Or Brian, Ronnie, then me.
Same positions
Same
again.
positions. Lap after lap after lap. We were just nose to tail, nose to tail. Had none of you up in bits, but me in bits. So if you were in front, I think you stayed in front unless you made a big mistake. Which Ronnie then did. Doing you come down the hill and you've got the hump into the inside, or you go through the inside. You flipping fell off, and I was right behind him, and I was like, oh my god, to take a evasive action, just go out by his wheels with feet slipping off the bank, which let Brian pull away, which then let flipping Drew catch me, and then he put in a cracking pass on me, and then kicking off the line better. Well, it was three, it was the same again. It was Brian, you, and me.
Brian got the corner first.
Aye, he did. And I changed gear that time.
To the village. Did you see my move? I slowed down, I cut up inside.
Yes, yes.
And then taking a whole shot.
Oh, it's because you looked over him. That's
I
right.
looked back.
Aye, see you did. I forgot about that. I did see it. I honestly seen that. I was like, the cheeky fucker. God damn it, it's raining. What I did the last race of the day, third race. Aye. Not much to say about that. It's going to be a right nightmare in the goggles. Hopefully it stops at 4 week out. We're just out next, so. Oh, here we go, look! Wacky boy! Woohoo! Rubbish.
What happened?
Well, I didn't get a greatest of starts. Marking up was in front of me. But I was tagged onto them, it's just the usual. And I come up round the bank corner, up and round the corner. I want to get into the rut, kind of wee rut to tack it, number 2. And the flipping bike decided not to go into the rut. I had to get off the track, round about the tabletop, round the grass, and then come back on. And I was feared that there was going to be a big stain into the grass I couldn't see, and I wasn't. So I had to let them go. So that was it.
Oh well.
Never mind. We're on one bit.
Yeah.
We've survived the rain. Nobody's hurt themselves. So next weekend, on to Elgin, last round at Elgin. You going?
I think so.
Aye.
I haven't decided yet, but I probably will.
Aye.
Yeah.
Oh well. Good show. And then, oh no, the Scottish weekend after.
Is that the weekend after?
I think so. I think so. 5th and 6th or something like that. No, near the 5th and 6th. September's the 1st. Elgin's the 1st of September.
Aye, 7th and 8th.
It's the 7th and 8th.
Oh well, good.
So yeah, till the next time. Toodaloo.